Hello everyone, today I am playing Red Dead Redemption 2 for the first time. Hopefully it's a good game and I am playing the story. Hopefully we're going to finish the whole story in a couple of videos. But let's start. I just started the game. Oh, we're in the mountains. Okay. Cold as hell. It's snowing. Matter of fact, it's snowing outside right now too.
Abigail says he's dying, Dutch. We'll have to stop someplace.
I'm pretty sure Dutch is the gang of the leader, and Arthur is the main character that we play with.
If we don't stop soon, we'll all be dying. This weather, it's May. I'm just hoping the law got as lost as we did.
Oh, we're on the run from the law.
Arthur, any luck?
I found a place where we can get some shelter. Let Davy rest while he...
Hopefully we don't die out here. Hopefully we don't die. It looks like we're cooked.
Come on. Come on! Yeah!
They spent so much time and money on this game. I hope it's worth it. Chapter 1, Coulter. What is Coulter? It looks like an old house, but...
Bring him in here!
This is pretty crazy. Like, they're running from the police on a mountain. This weather? They're really fucked.
Miss Gaskell, get that fire lit, quick. Miss Jones, bring in whatever blankets we have. Mr. Pearson, see what we've got in terms of food.
Davy's dead.
There was
This is a big game. There's a lot of people.
more you could have done.
What are we gonna do? We need
Women,
supplies.
kids, everybody.
First of all, you're going to stay here, and you were going to get yourself warm. Now, I sent John and Mike scouting out ahead. Arthur and I, we're going to ride out, see if we can find one of them. Yes? Just for a short bit. And I don't see what other choice we have. Listen.
That's crazy.
Listen to me, all of you, for a moment. Now, we've had, well, a bad couple of days. I loved Davy,
Very bad couple of days.
Jenny,
I can tell.
Sean, Mac. They may be okay. We don't know.
They're dead probably.
But we lost some
Nah,
folks.
they're not okay. No.
If I could throw myself in the ground, in their stead, I'd do it. Gladly. But we are gonna ride out, and we are gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us.
No, I don't think we're safe. I think we're
By the time I
cooked.
get here, well, we're gonna be long gone.
Hopefully.
We've been
Say
through worse
hopefully.
than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of
A
you,
few days?
all of you,
Nah.
get
You must be
yourselves
crazy.
warm. Stay
If I was there,
strong.
I would leave. Right there. I'm not staying there.
With me.
No.
We ain't done yet. Come on, Arthur.
Yes, here I come, sir.
We've got some work
Well,
to do.
we ain't run into them yet, so they both must have headed down the hill.
Sure. Hey, I ain't had time to ask. What really went down back there on that boat?
We
What
miss
boat?
you. That's what happened. Come on.
There was probably something sus over there happening, but they don't want to tell me.
Hey, you
I'm
need
sure
a
there
lift?
was.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Smith, get yourself indoors. You need to rest that hand. I'll live.
Ooh,
Get
horses.
indoors, son.
I love riding horses, but I don't know how to ride horses.
Need you strong. Okay.
Which way we going? Man, it's about cold as hell. You got us out here looking for
Sure
something.
gonna find out here, Dutch. We have to try. Stay close. We'll do our best to stick to the trail. This goddamn weather. Been 2 days or more like this now. Oh, it has to blow over soon. Whoa.
No, you want us to stay here for a couple of days.
Careful over
That
this
is
bridge
wild.
here.
There's nobody out here, not even animals. You want us to stay here.
Can't believe we lost Davy, too. He's the last one.
Yeah, they're dead.
No more.
Of course we're gonna lose some people when you
Those
come up
people
here.
warm and fed. At least we don't need to worry about Pinkertons tailing us in this. A couple more days, we'll be on the other side. You need to help me pick the others back up. You're the only one I can
I'm on your
rely on to
side.
stay strong right
I'm
now.
on your side, man.
We got fire and shelter. That's a start.
Talk to Dutch. What about the money?
Hey,
How was
I
the
think I
trip?
see something up the path.
Man, I didn't even ask him nothing yet. What is that?
You up ahead. Who's there?
Can't see. Who that?
Micah.
Bro, it's pretty shit out of me.
Found anything?
I think so. Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay. Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go
Ooh.
see.
Yeah, let's go party. Yes,
How's Davy
sir.
doing?
He didn't make it. Nor did little Jenny.
That's too bad.
Damn, that's
He
too
was
bad.
a real
Yo,
fighter.
that's wild.
Both of them calendar boys is, or was.
Yeah,
And Mac, Sean,
we don't know.
quite a business.
Quite a business, really?
Glad you're all right, Micah.
You're outlaws.
Always.
Come on now.
Ask him if he's seen John.
Hey, have you seen John, Micah?
Didn't see much of anything once this storm came in.
Nah,
He
bro.
hasn't seen him.
He'll be fine. Things always turn out right for that boy.
I hope Mac and Sean are still out there somewhere, too. Hey, Arthur, let me take the rear. You move up.
Oh. Oh, they want me to go up? Alright. Talk to Mark. Are you sure about this? Yeah, are you sure about this?
Sure about this, Micah?
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Morgan, I never thought I would be so pleased to see your face. Been kind of
You
lonely out
ugly as
here.
hell.
Where's everyone else?
Hold on, let me see.
Mining camp, back up the
Ugly as
hill.
hell, boy.
Huddled around a fire,
See
waiting
my
for
little cute ass
Daddy to
over
put
there.
food on the table. Said it before, we got too many mouths to feed. Well, we got a few less now, so you should be happy. Okay,
Yo,
let's
that's
keep it down
crazy.
now, gentlemen. It's just up ahead.
Yeah, you need to be quiet,
Stone
man.
stash
You
those
talk too much.
boys. Best you two lie low on this.
Where that? Oh, it's a house over there.
Okay, let's head down there.
Alright, let's go. He got a Arabian. Is that an Arabian horse? Oh yeah, he does got an Arabian. I heard you can go catch him like around here when we get out of the mountain, like chapter 2 I think, we can come back here and get that horse. It looks just like that horse, but like it's really fast. The stats on it is really good. I hope we can come back to get it though.
Let me handle this. We don't want to spook these fine people.
Wow, first person is crazy. Follow Dutch.
yourself out of sight. One lonely man is a
Yeah,
lot
I don't
less
want it to see me,
intimidating than
definitely.
three nasty-looking degenerates. Mike, right
Degenerates.
behind that wagon. Arthur, you take that old shed on the left and stay low, both of you.
I don't know what they're doing. There's people in there having a party and we're out here sneaking up on them. I don't even have a gun on me or nothing, man. Come on now.
Hello? Excuse me. Hello? Oh, well, hello, friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into some trouble up the way, lost in the storm. Gentlemen,
We can't help
You
you,
good,
mister.
Micah?
I got folks
Arthur,
dying on the
What?
we got a problem.
What?
There's a corpse right here.
A corpse?
Arthur, there's a body in the wagon.
Nah, they got a whole body in the wagon?
Dutch.
They're probably outlaws too. Why would they be here otherwise? Like, come on now. Oh, I do have a gun. Pow! We gotta kill them. We gotta get rid of them. Come on. Nah, that's crazy though. They have a whole body? Nah. I better get there. Where he at? Man. Damn! He just said pow! In the face, man. Damn. Where they at? They're trying to run away. Call the police on us. Hold on. Perfect shot. Alright. Let's go see what we can get from the house.
Goddamn O'Driscoll boys here!
Who in here? It looks warm in here. I think we should come inside.
Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
Why do I have to search the... Oh, that's the cabin.
Like a party in here. Turn the place upside down.
Let me check what we can
Grab as
take.
many supplies as you can. We need the essentials.
There was a lot of people. They probably have a lot of stuff. So, like... They have beans. And sweet corn. Yeah, I don't think that sounds so delicious. But
Strength up for the ride back.
yeah, let's look for something else. I want to eat one. Yes, sir. Oh, there's blood over here. We killed them outside. I didn't kill anyone inside, so...
I saw
What happened in here?
that poor bastard who lived here. Micah found a dead body in the wagon outside.
Oh, they killed the owner of the place? And they stayed here for... They probably been here for a while, because they have a lot of food and stuff.
There's a big price on Colm O'Driscoll's head.
Who's O'Driscoll? Colm O'Driscoll, I don't know.
Colm dead is about the only thing me and Uncle Sam agreed on.
So, they probably killed the owner of the house and just threw him in a wagon outside and just acted like nothing happened.
Place is dry.
That's crazy.
We could maybe move the women and Jack down here.
Yeah. But it's kind of crazy that a person lived here alone.
They don't really want us to split
Nah, that's crazy. Anything here we can take? What is that?
Looks like the poor bastard was married too.
Oh shit, he had a wife?
If we can't eat it or drink it, put it down.
Damn. Yeah, put that back, man. We don't need that.
Horses. You keep looking.
Alright. Gotcha. What's over
Meet me out
here?
here when you're done.
What is that? Classic oatcakes. Okay. This is boring. I feel like I want to leave, man. Come on. Where my horse at?
Arthur, keep looking for stuff. Arthur,
I'm good.
Go see if there's anything in that barn.
Oh, the barn over there.
Search the cabin. See what we missed. Sure.
There's a trail over it. Probably someone probably came here before me. 2 trails. Yeah. I hope there's nobody in here, because I'm not really in that mood of fighting. Oh yeah, pull out the gun, man. Come on. Oh shit!
Bastard shot my cousin. Well, he started it.
Shot your cousin. It wasn't me, bro. Take this.
What's
Yeah.
going on?
Take
This
that.
guy just jumped.
Oh, did
I
he
think that's
now?
from the game. So the game we just got here, like that were here before us, they were Como Driscoll's game.
Should I kill him?
Como Driscoll's another gang leader, I think. But
Not
yeah,
yet.
we
Find
gotta
out what they're
investigate.
doing here and where Colm is.
Where's
Oh, this
Como?
son of a bitch will talk.
Where's Como? Take
Where's
that.
Colm O'Driscoll?
Where's Como?
With the others. At
Who?
an old mining camp southwest of here.
Mining
Near the
camp?
lake.
Question.
What are you bastards doing? Why are you up here?
Yeah, why?
Fixing to rob some train.
Ross and
Gonna
Clay.
blow the tracks. I don't know more than that, I swear.
Well, I would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do
Hmm.
what you want with him. I don't care.
Should I kill him?
Bring that horse when you're done. Oh,
Yeah, I don't want him to go be like, oh, he killed me or something. I'm gonna beat him to death. Foul, foul. Oh, I gotta make sure he's dead though. Cause like, oh, I gotta go pick my gun up. That's crazy details, like, and my hat. This game is crazy. Like, I just dropped my hat for fighting and stuff. Like, in GTA 5, this wouldn't happen. Towards the horse. That looks like beautiful horse. Can I keep him? I don't know.
It's okay.
Lead him?
Boy.
Come on. Alright, we gotta go back. Oh, I can hear the wolves.
that bastard still
We gotta leave.
He's dealt with.
good? That looks like a decent horse. You should keep him. You need
Oh, I
to
can keep
He's
him.
already skittish.
I'll gladly keep him. What do I have to do? Lead the horse to the hitching post. There's someone else in there?
I found in the cellar.
Yo.
Leave her alone.
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Michael. Look at her. Miss, are you...
She's crazy. What the hell? Nah, you gotta chill, bro.
Miss. Now, it is gonna be
She was
okay.
scared, bro. Like,
We mean you.
what is he trying to
No
do?
more. Miss. Come on. It'll be okay. We need to get out of here.
That's the owner of the house. She's his husband. She's his wife, probably. Yeah, that's crazy.
You okay, miss?
They came
That's sad.
3 days ago. And my husband,
They've been there for 3 days. And where was she?
Miss, you are safe now. And you can't stay here.
Not anymore. Oh, we can't even bring the other people our gang in here anymore. Like he said he wanted to do.
It's okay.
That's crazy.
We're bad men. We ain't them. It's
You're a
okay.
bad man, but we ain't them.
Get on.
Wow.
We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do. What's your name, miss? Miss.
Adler.
Adler.
Sadie Adler.
Sadie Adler.
He was my husband.
Yeah, they killed her husband. That corpse? Yeah, that's crazy.
Hey! Somebody's coming!
Yeah, chill,
Like
it's
it's
us.
Dutch. Hey, everybody, Dutch is back!
How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first.
Yeah.
Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there, but there is more about, apparently. scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Judge.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler, Miss Tilly, Miss Karen, would you warm her up?
Yeah, I think she's good as hell.
And Mrs. Adler,
You can tell she's good as
you're
hell.
gonna be okay. You're safe now. They turned her into a widow.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I need some rest. I haven't slept in 3 days.
You're
Man,
over
you
here.
know he lying.
Miss O'Shea,
You know he lying.
Mr. Morgan, we put you in a room over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the
Oh, I
Bells.
got a whole room for myself?
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get
See,
a
that's what I'm
next to
talking about.
Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get yourself to
What? That's racist, bro. Damn. Alright, y'all, we're gonna leave it over here, and I am going to continue this game in the next video. I hope y'all like the video. Please don't like and subscribe, and please go check out my friend's YouTube channel. The name is Brook Boys. I hope you guys like the channel. Please subscribe to their channel too, and thank you for watching. Peace.